Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the basics right. Update your iPhone and make sure each watch has compatible watch OS. Once done, put both watches within a couple meters of the phone and keep them charged. Sign into the same Apple ID on the iPhone, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and turn on location services. Now open the Watch app and tap Add Watch to start pairing the first device. This initiates the secure exchange required for multiple watch profiles. Once the Watch app prompts, scan the animation or use the manual pairing code for the first watch. Choose Setup for Myself and select wrist and passcode options. Make sure to decide whether to restore from backup for fast recovery or set up as new for a clean slate. After the first watch finishes syncing, repeat Add Watch for the second device. You can install apps and configure health and notification preferences individually, which lets each watch act independently yet share the same Apple ID. Finish by confirming both watches show up in the Watch app and switch control between them. Pick one to wear and the other as backup if desired. Test phone calls, messages, Apple Pay, and health syncing to ensure each watch functions correctly and has the right permissions. If you hit issues, try rebooting the iPhone and watches, reset network settings on the phone, or unpair and start the pairing process again. These steps clear common connectivity hiccups and usually resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.